Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever had a laptop, phone, or even a car battery suddenly die and thought, well, guess I have to buy a new one, this video might just change your life. Because today, I'm going to share with you something called Easy Battery Fix, a simple but incredibly powerful method that brings dead batteries back to life, saving you hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year. So before you toss out another broken device, make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you want to check it out right now, I've left the official link to Easy Battery Fix down below in the description and the first pinned comment. Don't miss it because there's a huge discount available for a limited time. Story. Here's a truth nobody talks about. Most of your dead electronics aren't broken at all. The real culprit? The battery. Perfectly good devices are being trashed every single day just because their batteries stopped holding a charge. Laptops, drills, toys, even car batteries, all marked as junk when they could be revived in minutes. That's exactly what Daniel Hayes, an electronics engineer who spent over a decade in the recycling industry, discovered. He saw mountains of devices marked for destruction and realized most of them worked perfectly fine. The batteries just needed a little help. That discovery became the foundation for Easy Battery Fix, a complete guide that teaches you step by step how to recondition almost any kind of battery. Car, laptop, power tools, toys, vacuums, and more, using simple household tools. It's not theory. It's not complicated. It's something real families are already using to save money and take back control from big manufacturers who want you to keep buying replacements forever. The results are incredible. John from Ohio says he brought a dead car battery back to life and saved the cost of an expensive replacement. Sarah from Texas revived her cordless vacuum. Mark from Florida reconditioned his drill pack and said it felt like a brand new tool without spending a dime. These aren't isolated stories. Families everywhere are saving hundreds of dollars each year just by following the simple steps inside Easy Battery Fix. And here's the math. The average family wastes up to $8,000 over 10 years on battery replacements alone. But with Easy Battery Fix, you can slash that cost down to almost zero. Inside the Easy Battery Fix guide, you'll learn how to safely recondition car, laptop, and tool batteries, how to extend the lifespan of your new batteries so they last longer than manufacturers intend, and how to protect your devices from future failures, all using everyday tools you already have at home. And here's the best part. It's currently available for just $49, backed by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That means you can try it completely risk-free. If it doesn't work for you, you get every penny back, no questions asked. So there's literally nothing to lose and so much to gain. Final thoughts. Imagine never having to replace another dead battery again. Imagine saving hundreds every year and keeping your favorite devices alive instead of tossing them away. That's the freedom Easy Battery Fix gives you. Freedom from waste, from frustration, and from unnecessary spending. So don't wait. This special offer might disappear anytime. Click the link in the description and the first pinned comment